Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start Excel chapter 6 simulation rep. Okay. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Excel. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. Here you can see I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft Database Excel. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. We I have created a range name according to the instruction. Now I am going to move for my next step. Use the name manager to delete the net income name range. Here you can see net income and dial this one. Okay, and close this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Text me through WhatsApp or email. Replace the cell references in the function located inside B10 with the appropriate name B10. Replace the cell references in the function located inside B10 the appropriate. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move on to the next question. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I can make 100% grade for you in all assessments, simulation training. Create a new worksheet name ranges. Create a new worksheet name ranges. Here you can see I am going to do this one. And the name of the new worksheet named ranges. Type range name this in cell A1. Type location in cell B1. Sorry, B1. Insert a list range and use the formula in the workbook starting in cell A2. Here you can see in formula tab and autofill the width of column A to B. I have completed this question. Now I'm going to move for my next question. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you need instruction of any Microsoft class. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. Beginning in cell C14 to okay, here you can see. Beginning in cell C14 to the budget analysis worksheet, complete the series of the substitution value ranges. Beginning in cell C. (44) okay, column From the child. As you can see, beginning in cell C14, I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for the next question. Insert the references to the sales revenue in cell B in B15. Now you can see here I am going to do the step number 6. B15. Sales revenue. Insert the references to the sales revenue in B, column B in cell B15. B15, sales revenue in column B. Insert the references to the expenses in cell B16. Expenses. Insert the reference to the expenses in cell B16. Insert references to the operation income from B to B17. B to B17. Operation income. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for the next question. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Create a one variable data table for the B14 to H17 using the unit output from the column B as a raw input cell. B14 to H17. Here you can see I have selected the ranges and insert a one variable data. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you need instruction of any Microsoft class. Create a one variable data table for the ranges B14 to H17 using the unit. Okay. Here you can see I am going to solve this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you need instruction of any Microsoft class. I am here to do a quality grade for you. Create a one variable data table in the ranges B14 to H17. Unit output from column B. data table, and unit output for column as a row input cell, unit column, unit output. I have created a one variable data according to the instruction. Apply counting number format to the range C15 to H17. In home tab, apply counting number format. Apply custom number format in B15. B15. Custom number format. Sales revenue. Apply custom number format to the cell B16 to display expenses. Apply custom number formatted to cell B16 to display expenses. B. Here you can see apply custom number format to the cell B16. Apply custom number format B17. B17. Operation income. Operating income. OP. Sorry. I have completed the question. Now I'm going to move for my next question. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. Beginning in cell B21, complete the series of substitutional values ranging. Okay. B21. Okay, now I am going to column input cell. See the assumption value ranging out the increment of top value dollar. B21 to here you can see in column complete a series of substitutional value ranging from $35 to here you can see I am going to complete this. Here you can see I have completed this one. Insert references to the operation income from column B to B20. Here you can see insert references to the operation income from column B in cell B20. Here you can see operation income in cell B20 and insert references for the operating income. Insert reference to operating income from the B in cell B20. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. Create a two variable data table. Create a two variable data column B in the ranges B20 to H25. Here you can see B20 to H25 using the unit output from the B. Here you can see I am going to complete this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Create a two variable data table in the ranges B20 to H25 using the unit input. Data table. Okay, using the unit output for the column B as a row input. Unit output and sales price for the column B in the column input. Sale price and for sale price and okay. Apply a custom number format. Okay, I have created a two variable data table in cell B20. I am going to move to insert a custom number format in number format. Custom number. Here you can see I am going to create a custom number format. OPER operating income. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for the next question. Perform a Gaussian analysis to determine what sales price in column B need to if you wanted a column B. Here you can see I am going to do this one. Now remind the what the sale price in column B. Okay. Create a scenario name. Okay. Now I am going to create a scenario name. And first name is best case best case scenario, the range is B4 to B7 and change in value 15,000 0 1,000 and 45. Create a second scenario, add second scenario, worst case scenario, worst case scenario, same ranges B4 to B7 and change in value, worst case 20,000 200 1,500 and 30. Okay, and at the third scenario, most likely scenario, most likely scenario, same range and the change in value is 17,000 10 700 and the last one is 40. I have completed this one. Now I'm going to move for my next question. Display the worst case scenario, added the worst case scenario by changing the setting change. Okay. Worst case scenario, added worst case scenario and added the worst case scenario by changing the second. Display. Okay. Display the worst case scenario, added the worst case scenario by changing the second change. Turn the scenario again, don't close the scenario manager after the completing the step. Here you can see changing the cell, changing the second change by changing the second changing. Second case don't close the scenario manager after completing the step. Here you can see I have done Excel chapter 6 simulation lab. It's a simulation lab of Microsoft Excel chapter 6. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft project. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I can make 100% grade for you in all assessments, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Okay. Create a scenario summary report using B9 to B11 as a result. B9 to B11. Delete the first row from the scenario summary worksheet. Scenario summary worksheet is here and delete the first rows. I have deleted the first rows from the scenario summary worksheet. Load the solver add-ins. Now I am going to move to load the solver add-ins in data. Load the solver add-ins. Solver add-in. I have done this one. Now I am going to move for the next question. Open the solver, specify in B11 as the objective cell value in 5000. Specify the range B4 to B7 as a changing variable cell. Here you can see I am going to do this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft class. I am here to develop quality grade for you. Open solver and specify cell B11. B11. Open solver and specify the value as B11 as objective cell. Okay. Let us value of 5000, and by changing the cell B4 to B7, I have done this modification. Add the concentrates. Okay. B4 and add second constraint B4 equal to okay. Here you can see I have done this one. Complete the solver model, keep the solver solution and generated the answer report. And okay, and sorry. Here you can see I have done Excel chapter 6 simulation lab. It's a greater project of Microsoft Excel class. If you need the solution of any Microsoft class, I am here to develop it for you. I am dealing with MATLAB Stats, MATLAB Mathematics, MATLAB Accounts. I already gave my direct WhatsApp link and email address in the description. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. Okay, thank you so much.